They say making stuffed cabbage rolls is hard. But with this method, it's easier than you think. Let's do this. Quote. Okay, so imagine this. You're at a family gathering. Everyone's waiting for food. And suddenly, boom! The dish hits the table. Everyone's eyes widen. Forks ready. You take a bite. And it's the best stuffed cabbage roll you've ever had. Juicy, flavorful, melts in your mouth. And then someone asks, "Who made this?" You raise your hand. And suddenly, you're the family legend. Sounds good, right? Well, today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make that happen. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're gonna be rolling cabbage like a pro. And trust me, your family will never let you show up to a gathering empty-handed again. And that's it. Now you're officially a stuffed cabbage roll master. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And if you love discovering new flavors, don't miss the next videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be the first to see what's coming next. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay delicious.